Riawan? Oh, there's Riawan? Okay, action. Dia Purnamasari? Yes. Febri Ilham? Yes. Pak Ustaz? No. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Okay, by this afternoon, I know that you're already tired. Yes, right? How was the examination? How was the examination? Is it hard or what? Oh, easy, yeah, sure. I know that you already do everything you'll ever to do the examination, and then now we meet again of this afternoon class. And then I know that you already taken your breakfast and lunch, right? So now we still have a full energy to do the class meeting, right? Okay. Now, guys, please attention, Dia, you wanna get up? Okay, please take attention, please. I need your attention. Today we're going to learn about text. Is there anyone who can mention how many texts we have in English? First, Dia, mention one. What? Okay, one. What? Text. Okay. Sorry. Text, we have one first, Dia. Narrative. What else, Amanda? Recount. What else, Dia?
Procedure.
Huh?
Procedure.
Procedure, yeah, sure. Rizky. Description. Okay, good. Text. Report. Okay, good, Febri. Report. What else? Anyone can mention? Okay, I will mention. Descriptive. Okay, we already know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there are 12. We just mentioned half of all of those. And now we are going to learn descriptive. Okay, so descriptive. Is there anybody who knows what is descriptive? Okay, I will give you the definition of descriptive text. Descriptive, you listen to me. Okay, okay. Text is descriptive text. Here, descriptive text. This is a text to describe. You know this right? Mention a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Got it? Okay. What is descriptive? A text to yeah, good. Describe. To describe a person, a thing, a place, a thing, or animal. So here the text of describing a person, plastic, or an animal, and then we'll go into the language features of descriptive. Here in descriptive text we have first. We are going to use how many tenses have you learned so far? Okay, first just mention how many tenses we have in English. 6. What? Okay, we have 3. You are awesome. 16 and 6. Yes, good. And then what are tenses that we are going to use in descriptive text? What is it? Come on. Okay, I have 200 here. 200. $200. Oh, $200.
Action verb.
What?
Action verb.
Action verb? No. No action verb. But
No.
we have adverb. Adverb. It's okay, Rizky. At least you already tried. Okay, what else we did? Like these pictures? Adverb. What else?
Adjective.
Sleepy. What is sleepy?
Adjective.
Yes, good. Adjective. Now you get my 200. Okay, very good adjective. And now, is there any volunteer who wants to come in front and then let me do something with you? No. Okay. Amos, want to go here? Please. I'm begging you. Come on. Okay. Okay, come here. Sure. Come on, faster. Okay, first. Okay, here I want to show. Hey guys, please quiet. Okay, please be quiet. Rizky, throw your phone, please. Here I wanna do the descriptive tag with Febby. So I want to describe Febby. So which one is Febby? Person, class, animal, or thing?
Animal.
Yeah, person. Of course, Febby is a person. Now,
Animal.
as the language teachers mentioned, we have to make a description of fabric based on present tense, adverb, and adjective. Okay, first in the present tense, I have Fabric is my student. He is very smart. He always gets in the first top of the class. Every grade, from the first grade until the sixth grade in TPA or MBA. MBA, no? What? And then I can see his pointed nose, his black beard, his tiny hair, and then his handsome face. Yes. And don't forget his flabby stomach. And of course, Larry is taller than me. Yeah. How much is your height? 171 centimeter. And he is taller than me. So those are I mentioned you about Febby. That what are we going to make a description in descriptive text. Okay, done. Now thank you Febby, and then you can go back to your school. Okay, good job. Okay, now guys, please open your book. Open your book, and then first I will read the descriptive text because we have the example of descriptive text in the book. Actually, I want to do something with what? Projector, but we have no projector, but we still have a book, right? Okay, here we have the description of cat. You can see in the 86 page. Okay, first I will read and then you repeat. I will read it and you repeat. Okay, you do your job, right? You do know your job? You repeat after? Okay, good. Tata, my cat. My cat. So, what is the name of the cat? So, okay. First paragraph. Tata is my cat. It has beautiful feathers. The hair is yellow and gold. about one thing. What is that? Generic structure. Okay, generic structure. Okay, here in your book, there are two paragraphs of the description text, right? In the first paragraph, okay, I will mention here, what is it? Generic structure. Generic structure. How much we have? Two. The first is description. The second is okay, yeah, you're wrong. The first is identification. Identification. The second is description. Okay, here we have the tata of the cat. Tata is my cat. And then in the first paragraph, we know that the first paragraph is identification. The second paragraph is description. And then can you mention how many adjectives mentioned in the text about the tata is my cat? First, yeah, cute, of course. And then one of them, yes, cat. What else? Yellow and gold. Yeah. What else? What else? Flappy body, and then chubby cheeks. And then, can you see anything unless the present tense? Unless the present tense in the text, can you see the book? No, right? Almost all of the text using present tense. That's how you will do. That's how you will write descriptive text. And we already learned about it. And then here I have some pages of descriptive text I would like to share to you, and then I hope you will identify the generic structure, and then the language features that they use. Just mention the present tense, the adverb, the adjective, identification of what. Here, the pages I will give to you here. Here. Okay, wait.